It's not only about shipping of water, sheets, and other relief supplies. Jamaica is one of the region's central coordinating hubs for organizing assistance to neighbors impacted by Hurricane Irma and ensuring residents' lives are returned to normal.
Our sympathies and condolences to our brothers and sisters in the Eastern Caribbean and indeed to the wider areas that was badly affected. We note with great concern the effects, leaving some 23 persons dead and thousands left homeless. On receiving a letter from the Executive Director of SEDIMA, Mr. Ronald Jackson, the government of Jamaica activated the Sub-Regional Coordination Center and was asked to carry out the following tasks. Support with a rapid damage assessment team, secure relief items in support of the impacting state, make logistical arrangements for transportation and relief and response resources to the affected areas. OPM, Mr. Speaker, Jamaica's Disaster Response Agency is actively pursuing the following tasks in relation to this request. The deployment of specialist team for rapid need assessment of the Turks and Caicos Islands and the Bahamas, which includes, Mr. Speaker, members of the Jamaica Defense Force, NEPA, OPM, the National Works Agency, and other technical support partners. The provisions of logistic support, securing and transporting relief to the Turks and Caicos Islands and the Bahamas, which includes, Mr. Speaker, roofing supplies, water, kits, and food items. Facilitating movements of humanitarian workers, including a UN 16-member team to the Turks and Caicos Islands. Mr. Speaker, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs have been working with the High Commission Office in Port Spain, the Honorary Consulate in Turks and Caicos, and community leaders in the affected territories in an effort to ascertain the size of the Jamaican community in those areas and those who were severely impacted by the hurricane and their immediate needs. SEDIMA has established a reception center at the Antigua International Airport, and Jamaica, through the High Commissioner out of Canada, has deployed an officer to Antigua to sit and to meet with Jamaicans to find out their needs, Mr. Speaker, and to make the necessary arrangements to facilitate Jamaicans.
Jamaica has also launched an IRMA relief fund at the National Commercial Bank under the account name OPM Donation. Donations can be made to the account number 212-387304. On SEDIMA's website, there is also an international bank account number for Jamaicans within the diaspora to render monetary assistance. Keep updated on Jamaica's assistance to Irma-affected islands by visiting OPM's website and the social media sites. There you may find information on shipment of relief items, among other relevant details.
The government is responding, member from East Central, in the best way possible. We have to await the outcome of the various investigations. And while we speak, the team that has been dispatched from the country is making the necessary arrangements. And as we get further information, we will update the country.